Hello, fearless adventurers! Today we plunge into the realm of survival knives, a world of versatile and indispensable tools that have stood by the side of explorers, outdoorsmen, and survivalists for generations. From their robust construction to their adeptness at handling a multitude of tasks, these knives have earned their place as steadfast companions in the great outdoors. In this video, we explore the standout features of the top 5 survival knives, discover what sets these knives apart, and how they can serve as genuine lifesavers in the wild. Fasten your seatbelts for an exciting journey as we unveil this curated collection of survival knives. Enter the realm of exquisite craftsmanship with the Dulo Puukko, a meticulously handmade knife that stands as a true testament to the artistry and dedication of its makers. This exceptional blade is crafted with precision, showcasing unparalleled attention to detail and the use of premium materials. At the heart of the Dulo Puukko lies its notable feature, the blade, expertly fashioned from K390 steel, renowned for its exceptional hardness and edge retention. Suited for demanding cutting tasks in diverse outdoor situations, the blade seamlessly complements the ergonomic handle crafted from beautiful walnut wood. The handle not only ensures a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise control, but also adds an elegant touch to the knife's overall aesthetic with its natural grain and rich tones. To safeguard this work of art, the Dulo Puukko comes with a meticulously handcrafted sheath designed to fit the knife perfectly and prevent accidental damage. The craftsmanship of the sheath not only enhances the knife's functionality but also contributes to its visual appeal. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a collector, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the Dulo Puukko is certain to captivate with its harmonious blend of functionality and beauty. Now, let's dive into the Winkler Knives Survival Striker, a powerhouse of a fixed-blade knife designed to shine in survival scenarios. Built with robust construction and versatile features, this knife is your go-to solution for a wide range of challenges in the wild. The blade, crafted with 80 CRV2 carbon steel, is renowned for its exceptional strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. In harsh environments, this high-quality blade material ensures consistent and reliable performance. It's tough enough to handle heavy use while maintaining a sharp cutting edge, making it perfect for various survival tasks like food preparation and general utility. The Winkler Knives Survival Striker handle is crafted with black canvas laminate, providing a secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions, an essential feature for maintaining control and minimizing the risk of accidents. When it comes to intricate cutting or carving tasks in survival situations, the Survival Striker proves its versatility. It's not just a tool. It can be relied upon for self-defense against wildlife or predators. Thanks to its sturdy construction and capable cutting edge, the knife excels in creating traps, snares, and improvised tools, adding another layer to its utility. Additionally, its short blade effortlessly cuts through ropes, cords, or fabric, making it invaluable for shelter construction, emergency repairs, and bloodline by holding men's guerrilla survival. Embark on an extraordinary journey with the Holtzman Guerrilla Survival, a standout survival knife meticulously designed to conquer a myriad of tasks in the great outdoors. Armed with high-quality materials and functional features, this knife is an unwavering companion in any survival scenario. At the heart of the Bloodline is its blade, crafted from tough 1095 high-carbon steel. Whether you're processing wood or slicing through materials like paper, plastic, or aluminum, the high-quality blade effortlessly maintains its sharpness, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. To facilitate safe and convenient carrying, the Bloodline comes with a Handicott X sheath, featuring an upgraded lock for secure attachment to your belt, backpack, or gear. The Tech Lock system ensures quick and easy access to the knife while keeping it securely in place during your outdoor adventures. The inclusion of a lanyard hole further enhances the knife's portability options. But the Bloodline offers more than just a knife. It comes with a flint rod and G10 handle, both essential for fire starting in nature. The G10 handle provides a reliable and comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions, ensuring your fire-starting endeavors are successful. With the Bloodline by your side, you can confidently face the challenges of the outdoors. Armed with a reliable and versatile tool capable of handling critical tasks in survival situations. Introducing the Bark River Bravo, an exceptional tool crafted for outdoor survival, hunting, and tactical applications. This knife stands out with a two-tool steel blade and sleek black canvas McCarty scales, delivering versatility and reliability in demanding situations. Complete with a premium leather sheath, it adds practicality and convenience to its impressive features. The Bark River Bravo showcases a versatile design that excels across various tasks. Its convex grind blade not only enhances cutting efficiency, but also ensures long-lasting durability. Whether processing wood, preparing food, or tackling intricate tasks, this knife is up for the challenge. The contoured scales, available in a range of natural and synthetic materials, provide a grip-enhancing hold, ensuring comfort and security even in wet or slippery conditions. With its well-designed blade, robust construction, and ergonomic handle, the Bark River Bravo proves to be a versatile and trustworthy tool for any adventure. Meet the demands of the outdoors with confidence. Let's kick off our list with the Tops Knives Apache Dawn. This classic yet updated design is a reliable companion for various tasks. Weighing in at just under 1 pound, it strikes the perfect balance between weight, speed, and length, a true all-around combat field knife. The long blade is well equipped for heavy-duty tasks, and the added finger coil allows for controlled and precise cutting when needed. Crafted from tough 1095 carbon steel, this knife ensures durability and strength in demanding situations. What sets the Apache Dawn apart is its versatility. Acting as a versatile replacement for tools like hatchets or machetes, it streamlines your gear, offering a multifunctional solution. In terms of performance, the harpoon-style tip and thin swedge work seamlessly to enhance penetration and facilitate wider cuts. The black G10 handles and pronounced finger guard provide a secure grip in critical moments. Whether you're navigating the wilderness, engaged in combat, or facing survival challenges, the Apache Dawn Rockies Edition is always ready for duty. Its rugged construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable and versatile tool for a variety of cutting tasks. And there you have it, adventurers, our curated collection of the top 5 survival knives for your upcoming journeys. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just embarking on your exploration, a dependable survival knife is your must-have companion. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop for all our future adventures. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and never stop exploring.